underway here at El Trueno. A great start for the favourite, Cactus Countess. Natural Fever is also in the run. Then as the race moves on, it's Cactus Countess. Natural Fever travelling on the outside. Champion's Art in third position, putting up a challenge to Nautical Vixen. Confused Cactus next. Computer Captain continues to remain at the tail of the field. Cactus Countess in first spot. Champion's Art in second spot. Natural Fever is fighting, pushing hard in front of Nautical Vixen. The race continues with Cactus Countess. Champion's Art wants the front. Natural Fever on the outside. Then Nautical Vixen. Cactus Countess still piloting the field. Champion's Art in second position. 1 length behind, it's Natural Fever. Nautical Vixen next, head and head with Confused Cactus. Cactus Countess still outrunning the rest. Natural Fever in second. Champion's Art putting the pressure on. It's race on here at El Trueno. Dubious Basket takes charge early. Beetle Buddy is fast on the inside. Dubious Basket keeping the front. Beetle Buddy in second place. Holiday's Acrobat in third. Assassin's Abacus putting on the pressure. Just behind it's Poltergeist Princess going hammer and tongs with Divine Pain. Still going, it's Beetle Buddy. Holiday's Acrobat needs to get into a better place. And then it's Glass-Eyed Galaxy. Dubious Basket leading the charge. Beetle Buddy in second position. 2 lengths away, it's Holiday's Acrobat. Just in front of Assassin's Abacus. Dubious Basket dictating the pace. Beetle Buddy in second place. Assassin's Abacus in third. Just in front of Holiday's Acrobat. 300 out and it's Dubious Baskets. Holiday's Acrobat needs to get into a better place. At the top of the straight it's Dubious Baskets. Race hugs up for the winning post. Ready to rumble, and the favourite gets a magnificent start. Secretary's Sniffle is also in the firing line. Continuing around the track, it's Matching Music. Secretary's Sniffle in second. On their back is Sterling Smoke. Queen of Rumble striving forward. Matching Music in first position. Secretary's Sniffle in second spot. A length behind, it's Marmalade Blueprint, followed by Cherub Chant, just ahead of Queen of Rumble. lead. Secretary Sniffle wants the front. Just behind, it's Marmalade Blueprint. 2 lengths behind, it's Cherub Chat. Matching Music leading the field. Cherub Chat moving right on the outside. It's race on here at El Trueno. A great start for the favourites. Kumquatkiss going with them. Pounding down the course, it's Experimental Point. Ninth Planet in second place, closely followed by Kumquatkiss from Baby Beard. Lemon's Lollipop in sixth place. A length away, it's Truffle Touch. Experimental Point leading. Ninth Planet in second position. Kumquatkiss next. Just has a margin over Truffle Touch. Experimental Point still outrunning the rest. 3 lengths away, it's Truffle Touch. Then Kumquatkiss. Continuing around the track, it's Ninth Planet. Experimental Point in second spot, followed by Kumquatkiss. Truffle Touch, who'll be looking to hold that position until the final sprint. Ninth Planet in the lead, going hammer and tong with Experimental Point. Truffle Touch leading. Experimental Point in second position. Next it's Ninth Planet.